What is going on out here? You guys are so cute. All right, back up. Don't anybody trample me. You guys must be hungry, huh? Oh my gosh. Where's Limpy at? Oh, look at this little button buck. Isn't he cute? What are you guys doing? You guys are so cute. All right, I'll back up so everybody can eat. Got some little chickens here. I don't want to come up here. I haven't seen Limpy for a couple days. Uh-oh, here comes the rabbit. He wants some too. Hi. Want some too? Oh God, now I gotta feed the rabbit. All right, you guys be good.